Madam President. I have already affirmed the full commitment of the UK Conservative Liberal Democrat coalition government to EU accession to the Convention. I certainly speak for all Liberal Democrat ministers, parliamentarians and members. I think I have sufficiently refuted the suggestion by British Labour MEP Richard Howitt, who I see in his place, in a debate 2 days ago, that Lib Dems were somehow apologists for Tory hostility to the Strasbourg Convention and Court. But before I leave the intra-British debate, which I apologise to other colleagues for, I must remind Labour MEPs that their former Justice Secretary Jack Straw utterly failed to stand up for human rights and once called the Human Rights Act a villain's charter, in remarkably similar terms to Ms Sinclair, whom Mr Cashman rightly criticised. I also want to express British Lib Dem complete support for strengthening the European Court of Human Rights. The Brighton conference currently taking place, and I share Renate Weber's dismay at the lack of transparency, must enhance the ability of the court to issue robust and authoritative judgments. But the court does need streamlining and relieved of its huge backlog. National courts must do the heavy lifting of implementation of the Convention, and that is why the Convention needs to be incorporated and remain incorporated in domestic law as in the UK Human Rights Act. The Strasbourg Court must not be a routine court of appeal, but an effective and respected watchdog for 47 states and the EU. I hope and trust that that will be the result tomorrow of the Brighton conference.